I just finished my noodles. It was very filling. Look, it's finished. Hi, in this video I'm going to look at what options of Asian breakfast we have here in Brunei. Let's check it out. I'm currently in an Indian restaurant, so I'm gonna have the Indian breakfast. Thank you. Cup of teh tarik. I just ordered the roti. I ordered the one with onions and egg, and it comes with the curry sauce. Bon appetit. Eat the original one first. The sauce is a bit spicy. That's very good curry. I'm gonna wash down with the Indian milk tea. Feels like I'm in India. Hi, 260. Hi. I just my breakfast at a restaurant that serves Indian food. So where next? Let's check it out. As you have seen, I already had the Indian breakfast, and now I'm heading to a Chinese restaurant to have breakfast there. I'm coming in here. Scan. Okay, here they also serve dim sum. Wow. I just ordered siu mai one. Look at the menu, is on the wall. They also give hot water, but this hot water is not for drinking. It's for putting the cutleries inside. I'm gonna use the chopstick. Condiments, you have the chili, different kind of chili, and this is the order sheet. I just ordered siu mai. So this one here also serve dim sum in this restaurant. Order siu mai. I also order coffee. So this is like a locally brewed coffee, the condensed milk. So you just stir. Okay, I'm gonna eat this while I'm waiting for my noodles. I need to get the napkins, but the napkins is on the wall. So I ordered the kolomi. It comes with a soup. But before I eat the kolomi, I need to put the chili. This is the vinegar chili. the fish cake. They got the onions, the fried onions, lots of fried onions. So I'm going to enjoy my coffee. I know it's not like the cappuccino or latte, but this one is a local version. After this, I'm going to try the Malay breakfast. Okay. Now I'm going to try to have a Malay breakfast. Let's go. Okay, push. Okay, the system is slightly different here. The one on the menu, you order on the menu, then you go and get the cake or whatever you want. So I got myself a kuih lengang. So I just ordered nasi lemak, and this is the heavier one because I have the beef rendang. Then I also ordered kuih lengang, and this one is with the shredded coconut inside. This is the nasi lemak. They haven't have the chicken one, so they have the beef, anchovies, eggs, the sambal sauce, and some of the pickled vegetables. Forgot to mention, I also ordered a black local coffee. So this is very local today. That's good. Lots of beef. Give the breakfast. The local coffee is a bit like the Turkish or Greek coffee. You can see they actually have the sediments inside. Okay. It's my video about Asian breakfast here available in Brunei. If you want to check out more videos on Western breakfast here in Brunei, you can check the link here. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.